long Christ is strong plamo, long loblo Moses. O sembi po, all by make him save long you, time yung bagarapi marit. Pasim lo bagarapi marit where you make him sin, time you notasim yet Mary. O sem Christ bintok lo Matthew chapter 5, verse 28. Tasol mitokim yupela, long husat man ilukluk long wan pela Mary, bilong ay gris ibihay ni mem. Ibin bagarapi marit long pamukpasin one time empinis insight long bel bilongem. Pasin lo bagarapi marit lo time lo Moses. Osem you sleep one time Mary blo narapla. O emusite ino Mary blo you. Tasol long Christ lo inarapla. 27 past 10 brata Daniel. You pala ibinharim long olman bilong time bipo itok osem. You know ken bagarapi marit long pamukpasin. Emlo time lo Moses, nawem toklo 28. Tasol mi tokim yu pela. Long husat man ilukluk long wan pela Mary, bilong ay gris ibihay ni mem. Ibin bagarapi marit long pamukpasin one time empinis insight long bel bilongem. Point blo big plem clear lo tokbi po o sem no ken bagarapi marit lo pamukpasin. O sem miyet, minotokim yun no ken bagarapi marit. Because pasin lo bagarapi marit, empinis blong pasin nonggut. Mi tokim yupla, yu lukluk tasol long Mary, time yuga ting nonggut insight lo bel. Eminim, hiyayet long as blo pasin blo bagarapi marit, long as true blongem, Christ i pasim. Loblong Christ is strong plamo, long loblo Moses. O sembi po, all by make him save long you, time yu bagarapi marit, long Christ. You lukluk tasol one tem ting nonggut. You make him pinisin blo bagarapim marit. O sem na long Christ. Ino pasin blo kiliman iday tasol itambu. Belha true itambu. Because belha true igo inaplong pasin blo kiliman iday. As blo pasin blo kiliman iday. Planti time as blongem belha true lol narapla. O sem nem tok lo number 1 John 3:15. Husat man hetim brata bilongem, iman bilong kiliman, na yupela savelong man bilong kiliman, inogat life stop good all time insight longem. Long Moses all by make him savela you, time you kiliman iday, life lubekim life, tit lubekim tit, han lubekim han igo. Tasol long Christ, take away as blo pasim lo paitim naraplaman take away o sem nem talk like him true beer wablo you time hungry gim kai time negdry gim drink talk o sem you by baiten lugot blo help him beer wablo you o sem wanem bayo kilim man igatol siyo susait kilim beer wa iday true na wanem something no gut mo all ting o sem time all kilim man iday all make him walk blo God. You can read him long John 16:2. All by put him yupela outside long ol synagogue. Yes, time by come. Long husat man ikilim yupela by tinglong walk bilong God. No ngutol geta lol geta samti ol pasta na ol loto hetman bin skulim. Christ bin toko sem. Nongut ol pasta blo loto bin planim. Husay kilim day narapla make him walk blogod. Tasol tambu long kiliman iday. You by like him true birwa tu. Gim kay na drink. Pasin lo gim kay na drink. Iblong make him life igoyet. Time you kilim day. Against lo Christ. Loblo Christ na blo Moses ino one kind. Long Moses no can kill him aniday. Long Christ no can cross lo narapla. No can stop no gat sorry lo narapla. Bayo no inap kill him iday. Pasin do bagarapi mari tu yosem. Suppose loblo Moses ikotim pasin do bagarapi mari. All by kill him die. Stony memosite make him. Long Christ. Blong pasim yu long bagarapi marit. Tambuim pasin blo. Look lo Mary one time like no good insight lo bel. Displa make him body blo you ilusim homon blo pilim like blo body time you look one time I gris insight lo bel. na embay kamlo point we embay hatlo yulo bosim body. Spirit tunggut by inapulim yulong inapim displa like blobody yu pilim. Big pla Jesus Christ tambuim tu.